Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the cab from Alphabet Lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the window. Let's draw a line across for the bottom here. Then let's hop up in the center, and let's draw a curve up and down on both sides. Okay, now that we have the shape of the window, let's move inside and draw the steering wheel. On the bottom right, let's draw two angled lines. And then a curve at the end. Next, around the end here, let's draw an oval shape. And then another oval shaped curve around this one. And then one more in the same way. And now let's erase the lines overlapping that first stick we drew. Next, let's add some spokes to the steering wheel. Let's draw two angled lines at the bottom, then on the side, on the top, and then one on the right. And that's it for the steering wheel. Let's draw the letter A now. Let's start inside the steering wheel and let's draw a curve up. And continue it up on the other side, like this. Now let's curve it over to the left and back down. Next, let's draw the arm. Let's step in and let's draw a curve up, down, and bring it down slightly below the window. Now let's draw a curve over to the right and down. Then a small curve above it on the left. Now let's move down and close off the bottom of the arm. From the bottom left, let's bring it over and then curve it down. And then close off the end with a curve. Next, let's erase that window line inside the arm. And that's it for the shape of the body. Next, let's add the face. On the right side, overlapping the edge here, let's draw the first eye with a rounded rectangle. And the same thing on the left. Now let's erase the overlapping lines inside each eye. Now let's move in and let's draw a curve across the middle of each eye like this. Then a rectangle shape underneath on the right. And now let's color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's add the mouth. Let's start in between the eyes on the left here and draw a line down. Then let's draw two angled lines down to the right. And then close it off at the end. And lastly, let's add 3 lines inside for the teeth. And that's it for the mouth. Lastly, for the letter A, let's add the hat on top. Let's start above the head and let's draw a small oval. Then from the top left, let's curve it over, back around, and into the right side like this. And then let's add one more curve on the bottom right for the brim of the hat. And lastly, let's erase the overlapping lines inside the hat. And that's it for the letter A. Now let's move outside and draw the cab. Let's start by drawing a large curve around the entire window like this. Now on top, let's draw another curved rectangle shape. And then inside, let's write the word cab. Now let's hop down on the bottom right and let's draw a line out and then curve it down. Then hop over to the left. Let's start with a small curve down, then an angle down and out, a line down, and then let's close off the bottom with a line across. And that's it for the shape of the cab. Next, let's move inside and add some details. First, let's draw the face inside on the right. Let's start on the right here and draw a curve down, then angle it up and down, and the same on the right, but slightly smaller. Then let's close off the bottom with curves on both sides. Next, let's erase that overlapping line inside the right eye. Now inside each eye, let's add a diagonal line going down and in. And then underneath, rectangle shapes towards the center. And now let's color these both in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's hop down and draw the mouth. Underneath, let's draw 2 curves coming out from the side. Then close off the end. And now let's add 3 lines inside for the teeth. Next, let's draw a rectangle shape in the center under the arm. Let's start with a line across here, and on the other side, slightly out. Then from the ends, let's curve it down. And then close off the bottom, forming a rectangle shape. Next, inside, let's draw a checkerboard pattern. Let's start by drawing a line across the center. And then 7 vertical lines inside like this. And now let's color every other one in black. Lastly, let's add the wheels on the bottom. Let's start on the bottom left and let's draw a rounded square shape overlapping the bottom like this. And the same thing on the right, but this time on an angle. Next, let's erase the overlapping lines inside. Now inside each wheel, let's draw a line across. And then above this line, let's draw a rectangle shape. And in the right one, let's draw a rectangle underneath. And now let's color these both in black. And that's it for the alphabet lore cab. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!